Want to use Notion for free and make money with it in 2025? Let's break it down and show you how. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1, sign up for a free Notion account. First, head to notion.so and sign up for a free account. Notion offers a robust free plan that gives you access to most of its features like note-taking, databases, task management, and more. Step 2, use Notion for personal productivity. Start by using Notion to organize your personal projects or work tasks, create to-do lists, manage your schedule, and track goals. By mastering the platform, you'll be ready to use it for more advanced projects that can help you earn money. Step 3, create digital products or templates. One way to make money with Notion is by creating and selling digital products or templates. Design custom Notion templates for productivity, project management, or even habit tracking. Once you have a great template, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Step 4, offer Notion consulting or coaching. If you're an expert at using Notion, you can offer consulting services to others who want to learn. Provide one-on-one coaching or even group sessions to teach people how to use Notion for their business or personal life. Many people are willing to pay for personalized advice. Step 5, build a Notion-based business. You can also use Notion to manage a small business or freelance work. From client tracking to content planning and project management, Notion is a powerful tool to organize everything. As you streamline your workflow, you can take on more clients or launch your own business. That's how you can use Notion for free and make money in 2025. Whether it's creating templates, consulting, or using it to organize a business, Notion is a game changer. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.